All right, you guys, so welcome back, and we're going to now look at our next 3 parts of our Delta Math assignment. All right, so I'm going to click right here on this box method level 1, okay? All right, so now I actually can make this a full screen because you actually don't need to actually write anything down, okay? So what this is going to be a drag and drop activity, okay? So you're going to take the first set of parentheses, and you're going to take negative 3x and positive 2, and you're going to drag those here. Then you're going to take negative x, positive 3, and drag it here. And once you've done that, you can see the next step popped up. All right, now, just like I did in that last video, I'm going to take negative 3x and I'm going to multiply it by negative x. All right, and I actually will bring up my screen here so I can write a couple things down to remind you. All right, so when I multiply negative 3x times negative x, okay, you have to remember your exponent rules in terms of you're adding the exponents. So I'm going to multiply negative 3 times negative 1, so that gives me positive 3. And then my exponent here is 1 and a 1, so 1 plus 1, x squared. So that's what I'm going to type here. So I'm going to type 3x and then squared. All right, now I'm going to multiply negative 3x times 3. Well, you should be able to do that without me writing anything else down. So that's negative 9x. All right, then 2, I'm going to multiply that by negative x. So that's negative 2x. And then 2 times 3, that's going to be 6. All right, and then you click try. If you've done everything correct, it's going to tell you. Okay, it's going to say correct. Now write the simplified answer in the box below. Okay, so now you're going to take everything here and see how it's nice and color coded. So you've got the green here, the blue here. Now you have what's left here that's in black. Okay, now I'm going to write it out here on my piece of paper. So I have 3x squared minus 9x in the first row, and then minus 2x plus 6 in this row. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take combining like terms, and I'm going to write my final answer. So 3x squared, negative 9x minus 2x is negative 11x plus 6. So there's my final answer. So 3x squared minus 11x plus 6. And then I'm going to hit submit my answer. Yes. Okay. And there we go. I got my green check. Okay. Now, if you are able to solve these problems without having to write down this part right here, you are welcome to do that. Okay. But for some of you, remember your exponent rules here. Remember to combine like terms here. All right. So let's try one more and then I'll come back in another video. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take negative 4x and I'm going to drag what's here in the first parentheses. I'm going to drag it here to the first column. Then I'm going to take the blue, and that's going to go in the top row. Now I'm going to multiply. So negative 4 times negative 1 is 4. And when I add my exponents, I get x squared. All right. Negative 4 times negative 4x times negative 4 is positive 16x. Negative 4 times negative x is positive 4x. And negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16. Okay, now I'm going to put in the wrong answer. Okay, so I'm going to click negative 16. I'm going to click try. All right, and it says you have at least one error or term that is not simplified. That's their way of saying you've made a mistake somewhere. And actually, if you look here on the screen, the box is around the one that I made the mistake. So you can see 4x squared was okay, 16x is okay, 4x is okay. This box right here around negative 16, there's my hint. Okay, so back that up, click try. I got my correct answer. So now I get to move on, and I'm going to combine like terms. The like terms are usually in the diagonal right here. Okay, so 4x squared, and then 16x plus 4x is 20x, and then plus 16. Submit my answer. Yes, and there we go. All right, so I will come back in another video and I will look at level 2 and level 3. Good luck.